We are here in the city police station in Imphal, Manipur for complaining against those persons who have given threats to eliminate Rahul Gandhi ji. So regarding this, our Rahul Gandhi ji, leader of opposition and also leader of the masses, leader of India and also particularly leader of Manipur, has been given threats from these BJP MLAs, ministers, leaders, and also from alliance, NDA alliance partner, Shiva Sena Eknath Shinde group. The threats to Rahul Gandhi ji is a very undemocratic and it's a criminal intentions that have given threats to Rahul Gandhi ji. So one Mr. BJP leader, Tarvinder Singh Marwa, he is also leader of the BJP. He has given threats to Rahul Gandhi ji on 11/9/2024. And also Shri Sanjoy Gaikwad, MLA, Shiva Sena MLAs from Maharashtra. And also one Union Ministers of States for Railway, Shri Ravanit Singh Bitu ji. He has also threat to Rahul Gandhi ji, saying that Rahul Gandhi ji is #1 terrorist in these things. Another from UP, he is also ministers, Shri Raghuraj Singh. He also given threat to Rahul Gandhi ji to eliminate our leader of opposition and also leader of masses, leader of India, leader of democracy. That's why we are coming, our Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, leaders of our legal team, leaders of our office bearer of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, coming here to complain, to file an FIR against those persons who have given threats to our leader Rahul Gandhi ji. We made the OC in charge of the city police Imphal, Manipur. He also has given this receipt, has given his signature with this seal, and he said that he will take off the procedure accordingly as we had made the complaint. So in fact, it is really very undemocratic and the intention of the statement is criminal. So it should not be a place in India such like of criminal intentions. We are strongly condemn. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee condemns such act of threats, such act of criminal. India should not be place for those criminal intentions people like BJP, MLAs, leaders, and Shiva Sena alliance team of NDA. Thank you.
Zero affairs here. City Keisham.